Next exercise is the wiggle exercise, very scientifically named. And this is where we're going to start in fourth position. We'll do this exercise on all fingers, but let's for now start with the second finger. We put our arm into fourth position because that's where the heel of our hand is comfortably resting against the rib of the violin. And we'll start on an F sharp, and we'll first use our wrist, and then we'll use our arm, and then the finger, because these are the three aspects that we're isolating in order to find how we're going to vibrate the most beautifully. So we'll isolate first the wrist, and we'll play wiggle, wiggle as an impulse, and then 2, and then 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. And then we'll use the arm, and then we'll use the finger. So let's start with the wrist. Watching our feet. Great. We use the whole bow. We always want to remember, no matter what we're doing, we still want to get a beautiful tone. So how we produce a tone depends on how we use the bow. Right. And when you're in the back position, really let it relax. So that's your chance to let it be very loose here. And then 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Good. And we want to remember that we always start on the pitch and we vibrate back from the pitch. And 6. Good. Okay, now let's do the same exercise using the arm. And what we'll notice is that we can only go as far back as our knuckle will allow us. Good, so wiggle. Good, and what let's notice is that this stays all in one plane. We don't want to have any kind of separation of the wrist from the arm here. And then 2 wiggles. And 3. And hit 3 times. That's it, and really say hello to the side. And 5. And 6. Good. Now, the next exercise are what I call the finger knuckle boppers. And these we do without rhythm like this. We just do them very slowly. And what we want to do is just release the knuckle here. You see how that's working? In many ways, this is the most valuable of the 3 exercises because we can't do this exercise unless our finger is at the correct angle and the balance of our magic X is correct and the angle of our elbow. So what it does is really it verifies that everything is well aligned. And it also reinforces the release of this third knuckle here, which is the knuckle that needs to be flexible in order for us to vibrate. So let's just bop up and down on our little knuckle there. And maybe a little slower. Right, we're in no hurry. Very good. That's good. And that's enough. So what I would recommend is that you practice these exercises 3 times a day. In the beginning of your practicing, middle, and at the end of your practicing. And if you practice them every day like this, they will get better, guaranteed.